Hey you guys, it's PewDiePie88. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. Once again, I'm coming to you guys with a wig review from Wequeen Hair. All the details on this wig will be in the description box below, as far as the color type, the length, and the link to actually get the hair. So this unit, it does come with a lot of colorful headbands, and these headbands are very high quality. They are very expensive on Amazon, and you get them free with this unit. Gray, tan, green, red, pink, and a mustard yellow color. Really cute. So this wig has some very chunky highlights. So it's literally solid blonde pieces and solid black pieces. It's not really ombre or mixed. It's literally really highlighted. So it does come with the typical 3 combs, one in the middle, 2 on the sides near the ear, a comb in the back around the nape, and adjustable straps. And I'm not sure on the inch of this hair. Like I said, all that information will be down below, but it is a very tight jerry curl. Of course, the blonde pieces are a little bit looser. Hair tends to be a little bit looser when it's dyed blonde or bleached blonde, but it is a very bleach blonde color. One thing that stuck out to me was that big blonde piece, and I don't really like color like that, but let's see how it looks. So I do have a cap on, and the back of my hair is braided down in very chunky cornrows. And I'm just going to install this wig like normal. This wig is very unique though. I have not seen a wig like this with super chunky highlights. And if you guys are into color, this would definitely be a wig to check out. It's very cute once you actually brush it out and style it. So be careful inserting the combs. You don't want to make your edges on the side thin. I do suggest putting little anchor braids there. So of course the unit was super easy to install, and as you can see, it is a big chunky highlight there in the front. But as far as the curl pattern, it's very nice. This type of curl can tend to be very dry, so it's going to need a lot of mousse and water and product to make it soft. Well, not soft, but just help the curl stretch. So I do have a mixture of water and conditioner here. And I would work on this wig in sections because spraying it all over the wig will not work. You definitely need to work in sections and saturate one section with water. Pull it out with your hands and definitely brush it through. This is a special detangling brush. It can be found in my Amazon store. The link to my Amazon store will be below. My store shows all products such as filming equipment and hair products that I'm currently using. So it's a one-stop shop if you guys want to see all the products in my videos that I use, and if you want to purchase them. So yeah, I'm just going to work through this wig in sections. As you can see, the curl pattern has already changed. And I'm just going to grab one product, very different on one side versus the other. So I'm going to go grab my Eco Styler gel. I'm sorry about if my camera is all washed out. This is the second time I'm using my new Canon camera, so I have to play with the settings. But yeah, this is the Coconut Eco Styler gel. It's my absolute favorite gel. And here is the wig with a little bit of gel and a little bit of water. As you can see, the curl pattern has changed, and it's much better. I think it's so much nicer, and the gel makes the hair stay wet, kind of like that wet look throughout the day. Deciding what headband to use. Very cute and unique unit. Like I said, if you're definitely into color, the summertime and hotter months are coming up, so I understand a lot of girls like to rock color within those hot months, and I think this is a really good wig. It sits off of your shoulder so it won't be hot, and it definitely has several style options that you can put in this unit. So yeah, as you can see, you can do like a flip over style, and you can also do, of course, the half up, half down style. And you guys, you just play around with it. You can leave some bangs in the front, like curly bangs, or just play around with it. I have a lot of videos on my channel on different ways you can style headband wigs, so it's just not your typical everyday headband wig, just straight back. So of course I'm going to show you half up, half down. This is one of my favorite styles with headband wigs. And as you can see, it's really cute. That highlight in the front looks really cute now. And here is the back. Like I said, I did not apply mousse, just a little bit of gel and water. And yeah, so this is the ponytail going into the bun style. Very, very quick and easy everyday style if you want to just go out somewhere quick to the grocery store, or you can dress this up for a date night. So very, very cute top knot. You can make the bun a little bit messier or a little bit neater like I did, and the tracks don't show in the back. That's one thing I like about headband wigs. You don't have to worry about tracks like showing even if you wear the bun. As you can see, you cannot see any track showing. And yeah, so this is another style I saw on Instagram, like the double top knot, and this is so cute. It's definitely giving me Scary Spice vibes of the Spice Girls. That's the song I was thinking of, like, if you want to be my love. But thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys rate, comment, and subscribe. Definitely become a subscriber and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Check out the links below. Bye.